If you're building in high tech right now, it probably feels like there's a new AI update every single week. New frameworks, new tools, new pressures to keep up. Well, here's the latest one. It's called ChatGPT 4.0. What? We already have ChatGPT 4.0. No, this is ChatGPT 4.0 Boost. It's smarter, it's faster, it's more intuitive, and yeah, it's pretty impressive. But here's the thing. It's not just the tools that are evolving. It's the expectations. We're expecting more and more and more. As a dev or high-tech founder, you're not just expected to build fast, you're expected to communicate clearly, keep your audiences updated, and do it across multiple platforms in real time with relevance. And video content, that's not optional anymore. It really isn't. It's how people learn, it's how they decide, and it's how they build trust with you. So video content is here to stay, and it's growing and growing and growing. So with 4.0 Boost, I'm seeing now a shift where I'm thinking this is now better and more creative than Claude. Where I was with ChatGPT for a while, then I was with Claude, then I checked out GPT 4.0 and I was going, dude, we're now beyond Claude. Now Claude has to catch up with GPT 4.0 Boost. But the real challenge is this. How do we create high-value video content at the speed of AI releases without burning out? This is where GPT 4.0 actually helps. Building codes, breaking down concepts, and speeding up the thinking part of content creation. So you can go from idea to script in hours and not in days. And with multiple people sitting there going, I don't know about this, I don't know about this, hey, more of that, hey, less of that. So I'm basically using 4.0 to tighten my messages, outline explainers, and simplify complex high tech so when I hit record, I'm already 3 steps ahead of everybody else. Trust me, you don't have to chase every tool, but you do need a system that keeps pace because that's how you stay visible and that's how you lead. Okay, and don't forget the custom video content playbook is still available for free. Just go to tubeflex.media and click the order my free content playbook button and we'll build it for you. It is custom built for your tech innovation. So check it out. It's worth every ounce of it. 32 pages of custom built, interesting stuff. And as always, I got 2 videos for you. Click this one so you can hear about AI tools that are going to help you increase your productivity at work. And this one down here, the YouTube algorithm has selected just for you. We'll see you on the next video.